Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I actually made one of these type of videos, but I'm actually out on a hike and I did bring my drone, but I didn't bring my drone to fly it. I kind of came just to hike, but I figured I'd bring it and shoot with it for a few since I haven't flown in a while. So as a creative, and one of the ways I make extra money is selling stock drone footage. I'm not a millionaire off of it. You know, you got to upload thousands and thousands of clips and stuff like that, but I wanted to talk about like my approach for shooting the stock footage. I'm not going to go over like settings or anything like that because that would be for another video. Usually when I go out on a job and I bring my drone, or I go on vacation or I go somewhere, I'll shoot footage with the drone and then I'll end up selling it. And like I said, it doesn't make me a millionaire, but it's a good way to bring in extra money every month. The thought is, I just don't go and shoot. When I go to shoot, I shoot based on who I think will buy the clips. Think about like documentaries you've seen where they use the B-roll and how they use the B-roll. Those are the types of clips you want to get. And obviously you want to have your settings perfect so you're not getting overexposed shots like I'm getting now. Right now it's winter here in New England and there's snow, it snows. So that could be footage that people want to get essentially for wintertime videos and stuff like that. But more selectively, again, you want to think of who's going to buy the clips and how they're going to use it. So I won't just shoot randomly. I'll go in with a sense of maybe this serial killer documentary needs wood footage. So I'll shoot shots of the woods, and I'll do it in several different ways, you know, just so I have a variety of clips. And I always shoot in 60, just because I want to slow it down later, or sometimes I'll use it for something else. So just shooting it in 60 allows me to basically have the advantage of doing the slow-mo whenever I need to. I'll put some footage here in this video so you can see like the kind of stuff I shot, but I never waste a flight. So I'll shoot footage going to an object, back from an object. I'll sit there and I'll, you know, get a lot of pans, a lot of tilts, a lot of, you know, like parallax shots and stuff like that. Don't just go out and just shoot like random stuff, because at the end of the day you could upload thousands of clips and no one will buy it. Always have the goal of the end user and the buyer in mind. And if you're at like super rare locations, definitely film those, because I think those come out pretty cool, and I think that there's a good market for it. You know, it also matters too to remember like the time of the day, what's happening. So when you actually label these clips, you have all that info in there, and it just allows you to get, you know, more reach on your audience. What's going on, guys? Welcome to this channel. Today I'm out going for a hike, and I figure I'd shoot some content. I don't have an MD, so obviously exposure is going to be an issue with this, but I haven't done anything creatively. I've been not in a creative rut. I guess you could kind of say just taking a break from doing anything creative lately. Just been focusing on, what I want to do, where I want to go, and a lot of things have happened in the last few months that just it been life-changing type stuff. So kind of just taking it easy for right now. I do have jobs, but nothing super creative going on. Yeah, kind of looking for a studio space again. So hopefully I could find one of those and get back into shooting stuff. But I gotta say, it kind of feels good to take a break from shooting anything creative and just to recharge and take that break. Sometimes that break is needed. So I'm gonna enjoy this hike and catch you guys another time.